Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to store Trust Wallet recovery phrases safely. When using Trust Wallet to hold your cryptocurrencies, your recovery phrases is the master key to your funds. If someone gets it, then it means losing everything, so storing it properly is crucial. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Trust Wallet application on your device and log into your wallet. After you are logged in, go ahead and click on the My Wallet or your current wallet at the top of the screen, this little drop down over here, and then click on the three dots right next to your wallet you want to back up. Now in order to back up your wallet, you can go ahead and back it up with iCloud or manually back it up. I'm going to tap on manual option. Enter your passcode to access your wallet phrases. Check on these two square boxes in the pop-up and click continue. And this will show you your wallet phrases in the text boxes. Now, the safest way to store your seed phrases is by simply going ahead and writing it down in a piece of paper and put it somewhere where no one will be able to access them. Avoid places that are prone to theft, flooding, or natural disasters. Keep the storage locations separate from your daily access surfaces. You should also not store your seed phrases in a photo or on your phone, since these are vulnerable to hacking, malware, or device loss. Remember not to share your recovery phrases with anyone. Trusted individuals may know the location of the backups, but they should not know the actual words. By following these steps, you are taking a strong partial approach to protect your Trust Wallet recovery phrase and thereby your crypto holdings from loss, theft, or disasters. So that's how you can easily store Trust Wallet recovery phrases safely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.